everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about visualization of representation of real numbers by successive magnification. This is also another method rational numbers, how we are going to see on a number line using successive magnification method. This is very interesting one and easiest one also. Here first of all, I was taken here the sum. Visualize 4.26 bar. 26 bar means infinite decimal places will be there. In those infinite decimal places, I need only 4 decimal places. So visualize 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal places on the number line by successive magnification. So for that one, first step you see, visualize 4.26 bar. That means 4.2626. Only 4 decimal places they ask us. This one I have to visualize on the number line. So first of all, this number lies between which two numbers? This number lies between, suppose if I am drawing a number line over here, this one, if I was taken here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5 and this is 6. This number roughly lies between 4 and 5. So in those two numbers between, this number will lie, first one. Then again I am going to using magnification in between those 4 and 5 where it is. So what we are going to do, here another number line I am drawing. Here it should be 4 and here it should be 5. In between 4 and 5 what will be? Here 4.1, this is 4.2, this is 4.3, this is 4.4, this is 4.5, this is 4.6, this is 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. Right? Now this number lies between which two numbers? Obviously this is 4.2 and 4.26 lies between these two numbers, right? 4.2 and 4.3. Again in between these two numbers where exactly 4.26 will exist, that we have to find out using magnification. So now I am considering this one 4.2 here and this is 4.3. Now these two I am going to, this is 4.2 and here it is 4.3. 4.2 means 4.21, this is 4.22, this is 4.23, this is 4.24, this is 4.25, this is 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, then 4.3. Now 4.262 is supposed to be. That means 4.262 between 4.27, this number exists. 4.262 will exist. So now after magnification, in between these two numbers will exist. So now I am taking this one. Again magnification I am taking. There it will be 4.26 and this is 4.27. So here it should be 4.261, this is 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, this is 4.265, 4.266, this is 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, 4.270, right? Now 4.262 is there. 22626 I need. So in between which two numbers it will exist? In between these two numbers it will exist. Again draw a number line over here based on this one. So here it is 4.262, then 4.262 means 0 here, 1 here. 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, little bit bigger if I am drawing, 4.2629 and here it is 4.2630. This number line also little bit I'll change here. 2630. Now the required position is 4.2626. This is the required position on the number line. This is the required one, 4.2626. In this manner, we will keep on magnifying the number line, and we are going to show the given sum on the number line by successive magnification. Sometimes bar may, bar may not exist. They may ask you to find it out 3.765. Normally you can go it off. 3.765 will lie between 3 and 4. Then again magnification 3.1 to 3. Magnification 3 to 4, then again magnification 3.7 to 3.8, like that keep on magnifying till we'll get the number we can show in this manner by successive magnification. Clear? Thank you.